Room at Prince Hotel. That's the view. It's a little bit cloudy today. And here's the train track. TV, humidifier, phone, remote control for the TV, hanger, small hanger over here, bedroom slippers, 2 sets of pajamas. This material is very soft. Aircon, remote control. Then you control your aircon here. Tissue box. The charging gear. You can find everything. This is basically the basic charging accessories every hotel would have here. And then this is to the right. Safe, fridge, kettle, hair dryer, amenities, toothbrush, drip coffee as well. Oh, nice drip coffee. Glass mugs, and then complimentary of water daily, 1 per day, 1 packs each, and then extra services over here. Let's check out the bathroom, toilet. We get control over this side. Paper, towels, hair dryer, sink, towels, glass, and soap, bathtub, shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. This is the overall bath area of this room. Toilet area on the other side of the bathroom. Point here. Over at this table. 2 charging point over here. And this is the bedroom headboard, light control, as well as there's another 2 more charging point here, as well as another USB, I think. Yeah, plenty of charging point.